There are a lot of words Nigerians use that do not exist in the dictionary. A lot of people call this card a complimentary card. It is wrong. This is not a complimentary card. This is a business card. When you call this card a complimentary card, it is senseless in that phrase because complimentary simply means free. For example, somebody will say, Lucky Udu gave me a complimentary copy of his new book. Correct. It's making sense. So please, for your information, this is not a complimentary card. This is a business card. A lot of you make use of this word instrumentally. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but the word instrumentally does not exist in any dictionary. The correct thing to say when the word instrumentally comes to your mind is by installment, in installment. A lot of you say torchlight. What do you mean by torchlight? It is wrong. It is flashlight, or you simply call it torch. You say luxurious box. No, it is luxury box. You see somebody address the person as a copper. What do you mean by copper? It is wrong. There's nothing like copper in the dictionary. It is core member, though it is spelled as C-O-R-P-S. The P-S is silent. In phonetics, it is K-O-R, K-O-R, core. You say, I'm a core member, I'm in the youth service. You say, please go and sell market. What do you mean by market? Please go and sell goods. You say, packer. It is not packer, it is dustpan. You say, Lucky, this food is pepperish. The food is pepperish. I'm sorry, I don't understand what you are saying. Because there's nothing like pepperish in the dictionary. You simply say the food is peppery. You say, Lucky, I saw your video, I'm interested, I want to buy your book. If you are reading this message, please revert as soon as possible. Do you know the meaning of revert? Revert means for something to return to the previous state. So I'm sorry, it is senseless in that sense, saying please revert. You see, if you are listening to me, these are the common errors you and I make in English language. A lot of people are being intimidated by getting their grammar wrong. They are being embarrassed. Irrespective of their certificate, they are being let down. Unknown to them, it has led to loss of great opportunities. You see employment disappointment, you see business disappointment, scholarship disappointment, business disappointment. Some are even having difficulties in their personal relationship. With the assistance of this book, you'll be able to learn the skills that allow you to speak good English accurately and confidently to whatever level you desire. With the assistance of this book, you'll be able to speak good English eloquently in public. You'll be able to articulate good English effectively without emphasis to whatever level you desire. I say go slow. What do you mean by go slow? It is wrong. It is traffic jam. You say trafficate. No, there's nothing like trafficate in the dictionary. It is not there. You say driver, you are over speeding. No, driver, you're on high speed. You say driver do now, driver do, let's go, I'm late to look at the time. No, simply say driver please hasten up, driver please hurry up, I'm late. Say I'm going to the salon to cut my hair. It is wrong. Do you really intend to cut your hair yourself? You simply say I'm going to the salon to have my hair cut. People say barbing salon. No, it is hair salon. It is not barbing salon. You see, the wrong expression of English language, it has implicated a lot of people at the law court. Somebody say, my dad is an army. How can your daddy be an army? An army is a group of soldiers. That is a collective noun. You simply say, my dad is a soldier, my dad is an army officer. You say, a lady was saying, me I don't know what happened. I slept at 10 p.m. yesterday. God knows. At the law court, they said, lady, please calm down, calm down. You said you slept at 10 p.m., right? She said, yes. You said, okay, please tell us, how were you able to tell the exact time you slept? Please explain. It is incorrect. Do you know why? It is because sleeping, it comes in an unconscious state. And therefore, it is impossible to tell the exact time you slept. You say, in case of incasity. No, in case of necessity. You say, and the second to the last. It is wrong. It is incorrect. That is a grammatical blooper. The one but the last, you say traveling bag. It is travel bag. People say biro. It is not biro, it is pen. You say, I studied accounting in school. I studied accountancy. People say, I automatically knew that Lucky was cheating on. Automatically is used for machine and equipment. You don't say automatically, you simply say, I knew right away Lucky was cheating. You don't say Lucky is a cheater, it is wrong. You simply say Lucky is a cheat. Say I'm the last born. No, it is wrong. I'm the last child. You say headache is doing me. How can headache do you? I was talking to a lady and I told her, I like the way you sing. Your voice is impressive. She said, Lucky, hey, thank you. Actually, I'm a choir in the church. It was beyond my understanding. How can you be a choir? A choir is a group of singers, a group of choristers. It is wrong. A choir that is a collective noun. You simply say, I'm a chorister. I had a conversation with a lady and said, Lucky, I'll miss you. I've been posted to Kaduna for my service. Posted? What do you mean by posted, lady? This is wrong, oh. Please go to the dictionary to see clarification. You simply say, I've been transferred. I've been transferred. You say, I'm my junior brother, my senior brother. No, my younger brother or my elder brother. If you make use of this book effectively, you understand that those words, junior and senior, they are supposed to be used at the school or at the office. A lot of you say, I'm looking for a job. It is wrong. Don't go there and say, I'm looking for a job, oh. I'm sorry, it is wrong. Simply say, I'm searching for a job. I'm seeking employment. Are you seeking employment? Are you searching for a job? Are you a student, a motivational speaker, an MC, a comedian, a pastor, a marketer, a banker, or a teacher? Whatever field you find yourself, you need a copy of this book. My Little Big Errors in English Language. This book is going to dramatically increase your English ability. It is going to build up your vocabularies. It's going to develop you on how to write good letters. It is going to make you fluent in one of the most amazing spoken languages, that is English language. Somebody was saying, I am here before you. It is wrong. You simply say, I have been here before you. I was here before you. My Little Big Errors in English Language. You need a copy of it. The Bible says the better parents train up a child in the way they should grow, and if they get old, you know the rest. If you're interested, you need a copy of this book. This is my telephone number. You chat me up on WhatsApp. You check me up on Facebook. You add me up, Lucky Udu. If you're interested, you send me your email address. You can order for the soft copy. I'll send it to you through your email address. If you're interested for online lectures, I'm at your service. The world has progressed in age and population. Do not hesitate. Educate your children. Somebody was asking me, say, Lucky, I hope your business is moving. I'm sorry, my business cannot move. You simply say, I hope your business is booming. It means a period of rapid economic growth. Or I hope your business is flourishing. It means for something to go vigorously. See, let me tell you something. English language is not something you just learn in a day. Even me, everybody's learning. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. If you have to understand something. English language is not a day process. It's not even a language, though it's the official language in Nigeria. English is language, is lingua franca. So it's not nobody's forcing you. If you're interested in the video, if you're interested in my lectures, if you're interested to buy my book, please do not start insulting me, because I want to tell you something. There's no statue that has ever been erected for a critic. If you want to learn, if you want to understand something, English language, let me tell you something, restrict yourself to simple sentences until you gain confidence. Watch English movies and English shows. You have to learn. Buy this book, oh, buy the book, and I promise you, your life will never remain the same. So whatever field you find yourself, you need a copy. You say, please report to the HOD of your department. What is the meaning of HOD? It means head of department. So why is he saying, please report to the HOD of your department? It is wrong. You say, this instruction goes to each and every one of you. No, this instruction goes to each of you, or you simply say this instruction goes to every one of you. You say ISBN number. It is wrong. HIV virus. HIV means human immune virus. So when you say HIV virus, like saying human immune virus, it is wrong. ISBN number, GTB Bank. Tautology is a needless repetition of the same sense in different words and phrases. Say, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Joined together, those two words, they interpret the same meaning. It is unnecessary. You simply say what God has joined or what God has put together, you know the rest. This is my telephone number. Chat me up on WhatsApp. My name is Lucky Udu. You like my page on Facebook, Lucky Udu Care. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Lucky Udu. To watch my previous video or my next video, can visit my website to watch my video. Thanks so much. Please share the video, okay? Thanks for watching. My name is Lucky Udu.